Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Constant Contact API key. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up a new tab in your browser. Now go ahead and type in Constant Contact API. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the first search result, which is from developer.constantcontact.com. Click on it. Down here, go ahead over to My Applications. Now go ahead and click on Login. All right, click on it and you'll be landed to this exact page. All right, all you have to do is just click on New Application. Click on it. Now enter a name for your application. Okay, you have these settings for your OAuth, like authorization code flow and implicit flow, proof key for code exchange, device authorization flow. Now in here at the bottom, you just go ahead and select your refresh token type. Okay, for example, a long-lived refresh tokens. Just hit on create. Now once done, your API key will be ready in here. Just click on edit. Here you have your API key. All right, now to generate a client secret, just go ahead over to the blue button right here and click on generate. As it says here, generating a new secret will make your current secret invalid. Just click on it. And here you have your client secret. Okay, just hit on copy and paste it wherever you want. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.